Now we are going to see how to integrate the exponential function. First question will look like this. This is the first question. Okay, here the first step you have to do is you have to substitute this x plus 1 with u. So it will be like this. U is equal to x plus 1. Okay, then you have to differentiate it. If you differentiate it, it will become 1. If you differentiate x, you will get 1. So you have to write 1, and then beside it you have to write dx, because du over dx is equal to 1. So your du is equal to dx. Now you can solve this. Put it again, and this time you have to substitute this x plus 1 with u. And then just now you got du is equal to dx, right? So you have to substitute this dx with du. So if you integrate this eu, you will get eu again, and then plus with c. Actually the concept is simple. You see, you have to integrate this ex, right? If you have to integrate this ex, you will get what? You will get ex again, right? So if you integrate eu, you will also get eu again. So you have to substitute that eu, substitute this u with x plus 1 again. Plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay. Let's see another question. This is the another question. Like just now you have to substitute now. But this time you have to substitute what? You have to substitute this x plus 2. So you have to write like this. U is equal to ex plus 2. If you differentiate this u, you will get what? To differentiate this u, you will get ex again. Ex beside it. So you have to find this dx now. So du over ex. is equal to dx. Okay, now you can solve. Have to write this again. Then you have to write this ex here in the square root. Square root, you have to substitute that ex plus 2 with u. Okay, and then you have to substitute this dx with du over ex. So it will be looks like this. So you can cut this ex now with this one. You can write this again like this, to the power of 1 over 2. This is another form of square root u. So now you have to integrate this. Simple actually. If you want to integrate this, you have to plus 1 over 2 with 1. So if you plus 1 over 2 with 1, you will get 3 over 2. You have to put 3 over 2 here, and then this thing divided with 3 over 2. So you will get 2 over 3 plus, don't forget this c, this is important for indefinite integral. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's see another question. Now we are going to see how to do the definite integral for the exponential functions. Let's see here 4, here 1, and in bracket you will have square root of x. Then here again bracket x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, then here dx. Now you have to solve this problem. You can use substitution for most of the questions. So don't feel like you cannot do anything. So now you have to substitute this square root x with u. So it will be looks like this. U is equal to square root of x. It will be looks like this. U is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2. So if you differentiate this square root x, you will get what? Du equal to 1 over 2 square root of x. And then don't forget to put this dx here. Okay, so you have to find dx now. So your du over a naught over 2 to to the power of eh, to the power of 1 over 2. That means square root x du is equal to dx. Okay, now you can solve the problem. It will be looks like this. We have to write this again for 1, and then this time you have to substitute this square root x with u. So it will be looks like this. U, and then here this x to the power of negative 1 over 2, right? You can write it in another form, which is 1 over square root of x. Okay, and then you have to substitute this dx with 2 times square root x and then du. So it will be looks like this. Here du. Actually now you can cut this square root x with this one. So you will left with 1 over 2 eu and then here du. You can take this 1 over 2 and then put here. It will be looks like this 1 over 2 integrate for 1 eu here du. If you integrate that eu, you will get like eu again. Here will be 4, here will be 1. Have to put this 1 over 2 again. And then you have to substitute that u with square root x. You have to put 4 here. Now you are doing definite integral, right? So you have to minus with e square root of 1. I do here. Okay. So you will get like 1 over 2. 4 square root, if you square root 4, you will get 2. So e 2 here. You square root 1, you will get 1 again. So e1 here. Okay. You can take this e. Actually, I think I made a mistake. Here should be 2 only, not 1 over 2. Here should be 2 because here only have 2. So you should put 2. So here 2. You can now you can take this e because you are having 2 e's, right? Here also you have e, here also you have e. You can factorize that. So you will get 2 e. Then here you will get e minus 1. Okay, this is the final answer. This one is for definite integral. Just now you did to indefinite integrals. So don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. Thank you.